What's up, you guys? This is Captain Frandy. Welcome to the mining room. And I just wanted to show you guys everything we got going on. We have the 3D printer, the Ender 3 Pro printing away. It's currently printing a yarn bowl for my girlfriend. She wants to get into crocheting, so hopefully it's something to help her. We have the MacBook Pro launched up with all our Novation technology. This is for the Ableton Suite Home Studio. We got the game, the 3DS, of course the gaming PC, AMD 6700 XT in there, Escape from Tarkov, Captain Frandy on there too. And then of course the 6700 XT is currently mining away Ethereum on BetterHash, currently making around $1 a day. There's the miner, currently getting around 45.6 mega hash. And of course we have the Bitcoin miner. I took those two in the middle off because I need to replace the fans. And there it is, still running Hive OS. Hope you guys are having a great day. Just a quick update. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys are having a great day. Good night, and I'll see you guys next time.